What's good, y'all? I'm back with a new video, and this is out to sound like jaydes or maajins or entry log preset basically. So I have a cover of this song.
Don't leave me out your phone. Ooh, just get me gone. Please don't wait until I'm gone. You can always come back whenever you feel it's needed. Cause I'll always wait for you. You can always come back.
Cover that I made on this song on bandlab, and I'm gonna give y'all a preset and I'm gonna play the cover real quick. So let's get right into it.
Don't leave me out your phone. Just give me a call. Please don't wait until I'm gone.
Okay, that's with the beat, and this is gonna be without the beat.
Don't leave me out your phone. Just give me a call. Please don't wait until I'm gone.
And yeah, that's the preset. Comment who you want me to make a preset on, and this song is dropping on SoundCloud by the time you see this video, so go in the description and check out my SoundCloud, please. I'm kind of low on followers. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Don't leave me out your phone. Ooh, just give me gone. Please don't wait until I'm gone. You can always come back whenever you feel it's needed. Cause I'll always wait for you. You can always come back. I know you can see it. Baby, you know I adore you.